Hi there, this is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. Thank you very much again for subscribing to my video blog. And for today, I would like to share with you on how to know the 3 signs to know when you should let go of a user-friendly friend. When you say user-friendly friend, do you have friends that they always take advantage of you, inaabuso ka, mabait lang sila kung may kailangan sa'yo. Pag wala nang kailangan, parang ang basahan, goodbye, tissue, goodbye. No, sila na lang parati ang tama, ikaw parati ang mali. Pag nakausap mo sila, feeling mo ang bobo-bobo mo, talino naman nila. Parati silang tama, ika nga hindi sila nagkakamali. Uutusan ka na para ka lang katulong at pagkatapos ka mautusan, again, hindi ka nakilala. Pag tinetext mo sila, ang text back sa'yo, who you? So, when you should know when is the time to call it quits with some people group, no? Yung mga friends na gano'n. Number 1, okay? When you start to compromise. When you say start to compromise, you are doing something already that is against your will, against your values, against your beliefs, against your morals, no? Already, nakukonsensya ka na ba? You are probably having a hard time doing something because you are already doing something that is against your will. That's number 1. Number 2 is what? When they always make broken promises. Parati lang nangangako pero napupunta sa napapako, di ba? Palagi ka na lang pinapaasa pero at the end of the day, wala naman nangyayari. They always sige, bibigyan kita ng raise o bibigyan kita ng ganito. Pero at the end of the day, pagka may kita na, walay na, di ba? Forget na. They always forget you. Number 3 sign also is they never believe in you. When you say never believe in you, parati ka nalang minamaliit imbis na ikaw magiging source ng encouragement and inspiration, sila magiging source ng encouragement. Sila pa ikaw ngayon nagpo-put down sa iyo. Like for example, do you have an opportunity to shine? They're the ones who's not giving you the break. They always pull you down because they feel insecure also. They don't want you to succeed in life. Kung if you have some type of people who are like that, who never believes in you, you know what? If the longer you stay with them, the more that you will become destroyed. You have to move out. You have to go out of your shell. You should not be dependent on them. Your life does not revolve around them. Hindi naman masama, no? It's not bad for you to have lots of friends. Wala rin naman masama kung ikaw ay palakaibigan. But you should sure choose. You should sure choose the circle of friends that you want to be with. Choose them wisely. Choose them with precaution. Choose them with wisdom. Choose them with what? With the right intention and with the right attitude. Surely this type of people will have an impact in our lives. No, whether you like it or not, friends can build us or friends can destroy us. Friends can encourage us or friends can discourage us. Friends can really motivate us or friends can really also demotivate us. If these 3 signs exist in your relationship with your friends, I would suggest that you should think it over. Whether it's you like it or not, it's painful to accept that there are times that you have to leave old friends because these friends may not help you. These friends will only use you. They will not really push you up. They will only pull you down. They will not bring out the best in you. They will bring out only the worst in you. Hindi lahat ng friend ay true friend. A true friend will always uplift you, will always believe in you, will always bring out the best and inspire you. This is Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Chink Positive.